Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we have completed the problem set 5. This is the problem set 5 which I have taught you complete in the previous two lectures. Now, what they have given? They have given one activity for you. An interesting dice game. What do you mean by dice? Do you know the meaning of dice? Dice means the cube shape box which has numbers written on it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, which we used to play our snakes and ladders, Sapsidi, Ludo. For these games, we use that dice. Okay, it is cube in shape. So it is a dice game. Means for this game you will require just one dice and a table like this. Now in this table what they have done, they have written the names of the players who are going to play this game. You can play this game with your friends, or if your friends are not available due to lockdown, so you can play this game with your cousins, brother, sister, parents. Okay, so 4 5 players together can play this game. Very simple. Just make a table like this and write down the name of all the places that we have learned till now. Units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, and 10 lakh. Then what the first player will do, he will throw the dice, and whatever number comes on the dice, he will write in any one box of his choice. Okay. Then again the second player will throw the dice. Then that player also will write his or her number in any one box. Then third player, then fourth player. Then again there will be the chance for the first player. He will get one more number. Then he will write in the next box of his choice. Anywhere you can write. The only rule is that you cannot write two numbers in single box, because this is a place of the numbers. So in one place there can be only one digit, and like this you have to roll the dice for 7 chances. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And after all the boxes are filled, you have to write the number which is formed in front of your name. That number you will write here. And then you have to see that whose number is the biggest, and that player will be the winner of the game. Understood? So where to write the number? If a number is small, then you will write it in a smaller place, and if the number is big, then you will write it in the bigger places, and you have to win the game. One more method you can use is that you have to roll the dice, and you have to write your number in another's box, another person's box, and like this you all can play. Then in that what will happen, the player with the smallest number at the end will be the winner. The player who is having the smallest number at the end will be the winner. So try this game at your home. Now we are going to begin with our next topic, bigger and smaller numbers. Okay, two numbers will be given to you, and you have to find out which is the bigger number and which is the smaller number. And for writing this, there are three signs that we have already studied in the third and fourth standard. This is the symbol of the word less than. This symbol is for the word greater than. And this symbol is for the word equal to. Okay, less than, greater than, equal to. And remember one thing, always read the left side number first and the right side number afterwards, and then you decide which sign will come between them. Okay, don't read the right number first and the left number afterwards, because in English when we read anything, we always start reading from the left side. See how we will read this sentence, bigger and smaller numbers. We cannot read like this, numbers smaller and bigger. Or if we have to read this spelling, how we will read, bigger. We cannot read like this REGGIB. So when two numbers are given in front of one another, always read the left one first and after that the right one. Understood this much? So now in the previous year what we have studied, 4-digit and 5-digit comparison. So first thing that you will observe is that here the number of digits are 4 and here the number of digits are 5. So obviously this number having lesser digits is less and the number having more digits is bigger. No need of reading the digits. Directly you can say that 4-digit number is smaller than the 5-digit number. So which sign we will write here? Less than. 3570 less than 35,705. Now the second example. In this example, this number is also 5 digit and this number is also having 5 digits. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if both the numbers are having same number of digits, then first step what we will do, we will observe the first number. Okay, first digit means the highest place digit. So both the places it is 7. So by looking at the first digit, we cannot decide which number is smaller and which number is bigger because both the first place digits are same. So go on to the second place. Here also both the digits are same. Again we cannot decide which is bigger and which is smaller. Then move on to the hundreds place. Okay, so here there are 8 hundreds. This is our hundreds place. This is 1000 and this is 10,000. So 10,000 place is same, 1000 place is same. So we cannot decide. Now look at hundreds place. Here there are 8 hundreds and here there are 7 hundreds. So this number, this whole number, it is bigger than this whole number. Understood? First observe the first digit. If it is same, then observe the second digit. If it is also same, then go on to the third digit. And from third digit we can decide that third digit here it is bigger. So this full number is greater than the second one. So which sign will come here? Greater than. 70,815 is greater than 70,715. Understood? Now see the next number. Again, here also 5 digits, here also 5 digits. So we cannot decide like this. Now first digit is same, second digit is also same, third digit is also same. So we will see the fourth digit. Here fourth digit is 0 and here fourth digit is 1. So 0 is smaller than 1, means this whole number is smaller than this whole number. Means here which sign will come? Less than. 54,900 and this is 54,912. Means here 12 is extra. Means this is bigger and this is smaller. Now next example. First count the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of digits are same. So we cannot decide just now. Now first digit, both places are same. Second digit is also same. Now observe the third digit. In the third digit, here it is 5, here it is 6. Means this full number is less and this full number is bigger. So which sign will come here? Less than. Less than sign is like this. Now the fifth example. See here. First digit is same. But second digit here it is bigger and here it is smaller. Means here it is 92 lakhs and here it is 91 lakh. So from here only we can say that 92 lakhs is bigger than 91 lakhs. After this no need to see the next digits. because here only we have decided at the second digit that this number is bigger and this number is smaller. उसके बाद आगे की digits देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Now see here. This is 6-digit number. This is also 6-digit number. Okay, so observe the biggest place, lakh place. Here there are 7 lakhs and here there are 5 lakhs. So from first digit only we can decide that this number is greater than the second number. So like this we have to solve the bigger and smaller number examples. So we will start with problem set 6 in the next lecture. Understood? Thank you.